agua es vida. Y el agua, yo le estoy diciendo, a rato no va a haber agua. Y vamos a sufrir. Y aunque tenga uno el dinero del mundo, no se lo van a vender. Pues no la hay. A ver, ¿con qué la vas a comprar, hijito? Cómprala. ¿De qué sirve tu dinero si no hay agua? Pues, así que, ¿por qué?
The film was huge, right, because it represents a time and place that will never come back.
Antes era otra vida, otro mundo, otra cosa muy bonita. Antes no había tanta gente aquí, tantas casas. Ahora ya hay mucha casa.
Well, I regard Land and Water as an anthropological classic.
Bill Sanders was from a poor working-class family. He served in World War II, used that GI Bill when he got back to go to Harvard. He ended up getting his PhD, later becomes a professor at Penn State in the anthropology department, and then had a decorated career where he becomes the distinguished Evan Pugh Professor, is elected to the National Academy of Sciences. The guy really had a major impact on the field of anthropology and archaeology.
Bill was always avidly interested in anything that interested him. He didn't go halfway on anything.
Anybody could have gone around and did it, but he did it, right? And what do we do in archaeology, anthropology? In the end, hopefully we actually help people.
Encuentro imágenes de uno de mis antepasados, que es el señor Aniceto Martínez, que es mi bisabuelo. Yo no tuve el gusto de conocerlo porque él murió en 1981. Desafortunadamente tampoco lo conocía porque no tenemos fotografías de él. Hasta ahora que vengo a ver el documental.
How many places in the world have footage of a particular community with detailed notes to go along with it so we can come back and revisit these same locations to document the changes? So that we're measuring the changes through film.
Ha cambiado la vida. Ahí en ese bordo que pasa ahí, pasaba un río de agua. Ahí iban a lavar las señoras y nosotros íbamos a nadar. A hoy no hay nada, no hay nada. Todo se acabó. Ahora hay que cuidar el agua.